Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't wanna, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a perv. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P-Lady. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold with precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this bird fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve.
Met last
week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now. I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friends. Shit ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an F in. 2 girls with him, told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on down and I asked a few questions. And last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Last week and they already best friends. 2 at a time laying in my bed. 1 at the top and the other giving head. Girl on girl, I love the taste. You can run around, I love the chase. If you need a break cause you thirsty, don't trip cause I know you're burning up. She say she love me but she want her to fuck it up. 11-11. Baby make a wish and I'ma do what you want. Ain't no more intermission. I'm tryna see what you want. Just came in with an F and 2 girls with him, told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on down and I asked a few questions. And last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Drunk and nasty, wanna get drunk and nasty, yeah. 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 Wanna get drunk and nasty, yeah.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for KissLove hair and I feel like off the top you guys, I feel like this color looks so good on my skin tone. I don't know what it is about it. When I see this hair, it gives very much so like Olivia from G Unit. I don't know if you guys are old enough to even know who that is. But 50 Cent used to be in a rap group called G Unit and there was a girl in the group and her name was Olivia. She used to wear her hair like this and it was just so beautiful. It was like a no baby hair kind of look and I really like that kind of look. Now, I don't know why I've been getting so lucky because when I contacted the company, I thought I was gonna receive like a body wave texture. This is not a body wave texture because you know, like a lot of times like you see the picture on the website, like you look at that picture and you're like, okay, but my unit's not gonna come like that. I had no idea that this unit was gonna come curl like the picture. Like I had no clue, so I was really surprised by that. I really thought that this was just gonna be like, you know, your basic body wave. I thought I was gonna have to style it, try to do something with it, but no. This unit came pre-plucked, it came with a pre-cut hairline, and best of all, it came curled. So I've been receiving a lot of units like this lately and I really love them. I feel like they're such a game changer. They're so quick and easy to install. I also feel like they're perfect for anybody out there that's a beginner because I know some people, they just don't have like the magic touch when it comes to doing their hair. Like they always have to go to someone at a salon to get their hair done, or they have to ask a homegirl like, you know, can you help me with my lace or something like that. But this unit is literally the perfect unit for any beginners out there because everything is done for you. You don't have to worry about plucking the hairline. You don't have to worry about bleaching the knots. You don't have to do much at all. The only thing that I did today was I put some makeup on the lace just to make sure that it matches my skin tone properly. And I did put some concealer in the part just because the color matches too close to my skin tone and I wanted it to like stand out a little bit more. So I did put some concealer in my part that is a little bit lighter so that way you can see the part. And then I just like cut some layers here in the front. This curl right here, I didn't even have to fix the curl at all. Like I just cut it and it was just like perfect, just like that. You can wear it just as it is, straight out of the box. But for me personally, I feel like looks like this look better when you frame them to your face, when you add a couple of layers. If you don't know how to add layers, then just, you know, chill, because I would hate for you to like chop your unit up and have it looking crazy, you know what I mean, doing too much, because there is a thing called being scissor happy, okay, and we don't want that. But yeah, this is the finished look though, you guys. I really do like this unit. I love the fact that this unit, like I said, came pre-curled. You don't have to worry about the curls falling, because, you know, these curls have lasted all the way up to it being shipped to me, and this is straight out of the package, and it's just so pretty. Like, let me come up a little closer for y'all. I love, love, love this color, and as you guys can see, there are some highlights and lowlights in this unit. It is like a chocolate brown and like honey type of lace unit. You guys can see those brown pieces like subtly in there. It's just such a great combination. I always have loved this color combo, like since they first like started doing it a couple years back. KissLove is a great company. I really do like their hair, and I liked all the goodies that we got today. They have really good customer service as well. That's something that I can appreciate. It's nothing like placing an order with a company and then having a bad experience because the customer service sucks. So I love the fact that they have great customer service. The shipping is fast as well, so we love that. The correspondence is fast. I never really talk about shipping on my channel just because I don't know if like a company is sending me a unit quicker because I'm an influencer, you know what I mean? But yeah, for me, I would say I have a great experience working with them. And like I said, the actual unit itself is really good quality. I love the way that they pre-plucked this hairline. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that in the beginning of the video. It was just perfect. Now, when it comes to the pre-cut lace, let me be honest about the pre-cut lace. Personally, I do love pre-cut lace, but I just prefer to just cut like that scallop part off, because I feel like even though some people feel like the scallop like edge makes it blend in better when you're trying to melt it, I tend to have like the opposite effect. I feel like it's more obvious. So you guys probably did see that I used my scissors and I cut that extra part off, and I feel like it looks a lot better because I was like, girl, I'm trying to blend it. I'm not sure the density of this one, but you guys always know I will leave everything in the description box down below for you guys. And I do currently have this unit in a 24-inch, which to me is like the perfect length. You know what I mean? It's not too long, not too short. And when they measure these units, they typically go off of the stretch length. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, like I was saying, I really do like cutting the excess lace off because I feel like it just helped my unit melt a little bit better. It looks a lot better now that I did that, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, this is now an up close look at the unit. And I did use some hairspray and a comb. I got hair all on the comb, but I did use hairspray in this comb right here just to help give it like that waterfall kind of vibe. I call it a waterfall. I don't know the proper term for it, but yeah, I love it when it has like that little piece in the front where it kind of goes up and then you have your curls. So that is definitely what I did there, just using some hairspray. And the hairspray that I use is not like all hard and crunchy. This one is actually something that I got out of my suitcase. So anytime that I travel, I like to keep these like small hairsprays. This is the Tresemme one that I use. It's just a small one that I like to keep with me when I travel. But I was like, you know, I ran out of hairspray and I was like, I think I have some more. But I like this hairspray because it doesn't make it all crunchy here. Like, it's still soft even though it's in place. Like, you know what I mean? It's not all like crunchy right there. So I really like that about this particular hairspray. It's really nice, and it helped melt my lace today as well, because at first I was using just like my Got to Be glued, but girl, it is the summertime. It's hot in my house right now, and I'm not gonna lie, I be feeling my units like sliding back. Like this product right here is not for the summertime. This is a cool wintertime product. Summertime, get your best lace spray, okay? Get your best hairspray, whatever you can find, baby, and use that for your units, because if you just try to use Got to Be gel and it's hot, your unit's gonna be sliding back, making it look crazy. But I feel like that helped it look a lot better, because I felt like it was looking a little jank at first. I don't know what was going on there. I had to cut that scallop lace off and put some hairspray on that thing, and we are good to go now. I'm loving this unit, guys. It just looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. And like I said, this is a 24-inch. I don't feel like I need to stand up because you guys can already see where it's hitting on me, but I will like turn to the side real quick for y'all so y'all can see like from the back, from the side, what it's giving. Really pretty, really nice bouncy curls. And I like Another thing that I really like about this unit is that it doesn't have too many like flyaways everywhere, and sometimes that can happen when you have like lighter colored hair. But yeah, when it comes to the construction of this unit, absolutely love it. It has an elastic band up top and it has the adjustable straps in the very back, and I love when units still have that, because a lot of companies like they'll put the elastic band that you can like hook in and take out, but they stop putting the one in the back, and I'm like, why did they stop putting the one in the back? Like, that's what keeps the unit down in the back. Like, that's what keeps everything secure. So I like the fact that this company actually includes that. They also have these this option where you can take the combs in and out, so you don't have to cut them out. Typically when I get my units, I always cut my combs out, but these ones you can just like hook in or take out. It's really just up to you. I love that feature in this unit, and it's also a breathable unit. So this is perfect for your natural hair underneath your units. You can make sure your scalp is breathing while actually wearing the wig. Okay, so I absolutely love that. And the part that's in the center part, that's the part that has like all of the tracks like exposed. I know some people might think that's weird, but that's actually a good thing because it allows your unit to breathe. So love the construction of it. It's nice and snug. I definitely feel like this is the perfect unit for, I think this is just a great unit. You can wear this in the office and it wouldn't be like too crazy, because you know sometimes you can't wear like crazy colors at work. But this unit right here, girl, yes, you can definitely wear it, give yourself a nice new look, you know, and go to work. Or, you know, you could just wear it on an everyday basis, whatever it is that you prefer. But yeah, I'm really feeling this. You guys let me know how you guys like this color and this unit on me, and would you give it a try? Let me know in the comment sections down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing it for yourself, make sure you check out the description box where I will have all of the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover, let me know down below in the comment section. Shout out to KissLove for sending over this unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.